So here on my 2023 Yamaha XMAX300, I'm pressing the button for the fob. It appears we have a dead battery. So go ahead and take a flathead screwdriver, kind of wedge it in there. Just gotta be really gentle and pop it open. Once you get it started, just work your way around the edges. There we go. Here we can access the battery. Take your flathead, pry that out. It's going to take a 1 CR2032 battery. So go ahead and remove that. You can see there that it says CR2032. Grab your new battery. Go ahead and open it up. Go ahead and install your new battery. Let's go ahead and put this back together. This large chip goes downward. Line that up. Line this portion up. There. And we have the light working again.